You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A Japanese name. Let's break it down. The name of this movie by Miyazaki. In Japanese, in Japan, it is said as Totoro. Totoro, okay, Totoro. The Japanese R is almost like an L, or it's more like the Spanish R. Totoro, okay. Now in English, it's generally referred to as more simply Totoro, like as in my neighbor Totoro. Japanese again, Japanese pronunciation, Totoro. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.